back here ready to ZT Global for another video where today we're going to be talking about one very important subject in the market, which is obviously long-term technicals and macro analysis. So we're going to cover a few things today, starting off with the Bitcoin chart, just to see where we are at and what we can expect in the coming days and weeks and months as well. And next to Bitcoin, what we're going to be talking about is a little bit of world news. So I'm just going to mention this right here. Tech stocks are gaining. Bitcoin's January loss is very, very bad. The UAE set to levy corporate tax, and an ex-Deutsche Bank employee to appeal sexual harassment suit. Now, this doesn't really interest us. This is probably the most important news. But, January declines did top 20%, which is, okay, pretty large. But what I do like to point out to people who are saying that we are in a bear market right now, it could be a short-term bear market. Yes, it just matters how you define a bear market and what time frame you actually define a bear market on. If you are on the daily time frame, I would still say that we are more sort of in a consolidation phase rather than in a bear market, right? So we're reaching the bottom right now, and we could keep consolidating, right? We can go into the 60K mark once again. But if we do look onto the higher time frame or the weekly, well, we can see something very interesting. The chart is, as I probably mentioned in another video, which I probably will mention in a lot of other videos as well, we are moving from the bottom left towards the top right, which is the first and most important indicator of an uptrend in the market. So usually higher time frames are more significant than the lower ones. So those are the ones that I will take with less a grain of salt, or however you call it. Now, if you want to purchase Rose or Rose USDT, now why am I talking about Rose? Well, it's just a pocket pick of mine, right? It's a coin that I wanted to discuss just to show you that it is very good. It's at a very good position. So even though crypto is falling, this coin does have a chance to grow because it does have a very small market cap, $1.1 billion at this point. And here's the thing, they're crazy, right? So they're making a new era for the blockchain. They're a privacy-enabled platform to enable DeFi, responsible data economy, tokenizing of data, parallel smart contract layers, very efficient, very fast, and beats pretty much everything on the market. And it's definitely something I do recommend you get onto because, it's very simple. These guys are just doing very interesting stuff for the future, and they could be here in the next few years, potentially even beating, the likes of Solana and Matic at some point in the future. So if you did enjoy this little review of the market, and I'm not going to go into too much depth about Bitcoin right now. I mean, if we look into Ethereum's chart, we're seeing pretty much a similar situation on the lower time frames, just a very, very simple consolidation in the price. Nothing we can see right now because we don't have a third touch on the top. So we can't really call it a flag. We can't call it a rising wedge. We can't call it anything quite yet until we see what happens at this zone. If we break down below, well, we did break down below. And then, the next zone of support will be 1.4K or 1.3K for Ethereum, which we can plot like this. But once again, nothing to worry about because even if we do reach that area, I mean, what I said before, we're going to be in an uptrend, right? Very simple, very intuitive, and that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below with your favorite parts about this project. And obviously head on over to ZT Global if you want to purchase Rose because it is a tremendous pick. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest in crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.